What's the meaning of chain store? Chain store. Chain store.
Chain store. Chain store. A chain store is a type of retail business that consists of multiple locations that share a common brand, name, and central management. These stores are often spread over different geographic areas and can be owned by a single company or franchisee. The benefits of chain stores include economies of scale, consistent branding and customer experience, and centralized inventory and distribution. However, some argue that they can lead to the homogenization of shopping experiences and a lack of variety in product offerings.